Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or enable microphone access for the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to scroll down here underneath where it says your app and media and select device permissions and select where it says microphone. So if you want to enable the microphone, you will need to select update device settings at the bottom here and select open device settings, select permissions, and then go down to the microphone section, select that, and then select either allow only while using the app or ask every time. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.